Hi, James Laughlin, editor of Water World magazine, coming to you from the show floor at WefTec 2010. I'm here in the Hoffman Lamson booth talking to Patrick Janes about their new Revolution system here. Patrick, tell me about the Revolution.
Well, this is a new product from the Hoffman brand that Gardner Denver manufactures in Peachtree City, Georgia. This is the first completely designed, tested, and manufactured high-speed centrifugal blower in the United States. It's a completely integrated package, plug and play. It has the turbo blower, motor, VFD controller, HMI touchscreen, and this is about, I'd say, 66% less weight and about 51% less footprint than a traditional multi-stage blower. This impeller right here is a single-stage impeller. And the flow and pressure that this product, this technology produces, high-speed single-stage centrifugal blower, is in the R300. It produces the same flow and pressure as if we were to add 8 impellers and 8 stages to a traditional multi-stage Lamson or Hoffman centrifugal blower. So you save all that weight, and those impellers are 25 inches. Of course, they're not running as fast as this, okay? But that's part of what the technology is. So if you were to add the 8 stages and a control panel, this is the footprint
of the same pump.
The same thing. So this is how much
capacity.
This is how much because you know when you're building a wastewater treatment plant, space is money. So if you have a smaller footprint, much quieter machine, and you can reach the flow and pressures, and it's a plug and play, the controls are built in. What makes the Revolution unique is that it has a patented surge control technology that nobody else has. It also has a magnetic bearing, and it's a smart bearing. In the high-speed centrifugal products in the market today, we're seeing an influx of airfoil bearing products as well as magnetic bearing. Magnetic bearing is a smart bearing. It has an infinite life cycle, so essentially never fails. And the airfoil, for example, it has a limited number of start and stops, and it has limits on how much weight it can handle from a rotor shaft on a motor. So the magnetic bearing, the R300 here, we can go up higher in horsepower where an airfoil bearing cannot. And what's unique about our product is it knows exactly the position of the impeller and the shaft at no matter what inlet conditions, seasonal changes that are going on, because it's constantly pinging the surge point in the controller, and it's giving that communication feedback to our HMI. So this has the ability to maximize the turn down, to use the least amount of power consumption, which is the most efficient. So this is the most efficient high-speed single-stage product on the market today. Okay, and if you're thinking about new high-speed centrifugal technology, before you do that, before you go away from the multi-stage blowers, Lamson and Hoffman are the most recognized names in multi-stage blowers in the world today, with over 100,000 installations worldwide in operation today. But we also can re-rate your existing installation with another product that we're displaying at 2010 WefTec called our next generation controls. And let me show you that.
So Patrick, energy efficiency is absolutely key in the wastewater market these days. I mean, that's it's a topic on everyone's lips. Tell me about this and how it can help with energy efficiency.
Sure. Well, as you know, there's a big influx of a new technology, high-speed centrifugal blowers. You saw the Hoffman Revolution just a few minutes ago. But before you abandon the most trusted names in aeration wastewater treatment, Lamson and Hoffman blowers, we want to show you a way to operate them in a more efficient manner. So what we've come up with is a solution for our client base called the Next Generation Controls. What this is a completely integrated HDMI and VFD package. It seamlessly integrates with your SCADA system. It can talk to any protocol that you have, whether you're using a Allen Bradley PLC, a Modicon, Rockwell, it doesn't matter. This technology also has the capability to be a master control panel, eliminating the need for that as well. So before you go high speed, think about next generation controls, because we can come into your existing plant, do an air audit on how you're operating, look at your kilowatt usage, and we can retrofit your multi-stage blower using the same equipment that you have with our next generation controls, and it's for about half the cost of a new high-speed product. You don't gain as much efficiency pickup, but you do get about 90% of the way of a high-speed centrifugal. So it's tremendous power saving. So for example, this is a swing arm arrangement that we have. This happens to be for a customer that has a Lamson installation, and they've upgraded 3 of these in their plant, and we're able to save them a tremendous amount of power consumption. But there's a lot of neat little features in here. We can look at the trending of DO, dissolved oxygen, see how that's going on. We can look at your power consumption and monitor that, and we can check out your pressure rating to make sure you're hitting the system load of your design of your diffuser system. And we have a neat little integrated help screen. Since this is tied to the internet and you can control this remotely, here's all our contact information, and you can go to hoffmanandlamson.com and find out information about our next generation controls. And you can also go to hoffmanrevolution.com to find out about our new high-speed product. But this is kind of unique. We also will program in here an operating O&M manual, and we'll have an as-built drawings, so you can display a schematic. You can also look at a spare parts list, and you can order that right from your computer, right from your monitor right here in your installation. So next generation controls, 90% of the efficiency of a high speed at half the cost. We come out, we do a complete audit of your facility, and we show you how to run your existing equipment more efficiently. James, thank you very much.
Well, hey, thank you very much. Very interesting.